Hey guys, and people of the YouTube world, my tank is ready to install. So yeah, last time you saw it, it just got painted. So we installed the straps and the shield, and when we took it off, there was this felt stuff around the strap, and it was all coming apart. So there was something there from the factory, so I figured I'd put something there. It's an inner tube from a bicycle tire, so should work just dandy right in these corners there and stuff. So got my fuel line on, just using rubber hoses and clamps for my return and before the pump. I'll show you that when it's installed. So yeah, just thought I'd take a second to show you guys. I didn't really do any filming on this because it was just kind of a span of like a week of 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, whenever I could get a chance at doing this. So, yeah. I will probably bring you back when it's being installed or already installed. We'll see how filming works with the whole install portion. And yeah, I will bring you back. Alright, next day. And as you can see, fuel tank is in. It was quite an ordeal. It did not go how I wanted it to go, so I didn't film it. There was all sorts of, it was just bad. Tried to lift it up and bolt it on, then brought the jack. And then that strap right there wasn't lined up, so there was some cross threading and all sorts of good fun. But it's in. It's not going anywhere. The filler neck is a little kinked, so I'll have to deal with that sometime. But it's on, and that makes me happy. And then we got our rubber hoses out. I'll run through. Still gotta bolt up the ground yet. But yeah, probably do another video on the plumbing the fuel system. I gotta order a few parts yet, but no, we are not using AN lines. Not happening. But next video I'll show you what kind of pump I'm using and whatnot, and we'll get this plumbed. Well, maybe in a couple more videos. We'll see. We'll see what's happening there. So also want to get my intake on and change out that transmission cross member. And yeah, lots to do yet. Lots to do. But yeah, that's fuel tank's on. I'm happy about that. That was kind of a ongoing project. Yeah. So hopefully pretty soon we can put this back on the ground. It's been on stands for as long as I can remember now. So. Yeah, sorry it wasn't much of a video. Hopefully the next one's a little better. Just trying to bring out a weekly video and best I can when I have time. All takes work. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't that great, but we're at 41 subscribers, so it's so it's slowly going up, and hopefully we get more. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.